inquiry deletion guide, right? I want you
Mm-hmm.
to read through it now. Can you get those inquiries deleted over the phone? The answer to that is yes. The other question is, do you want to? You see,
Right.
if if is it the same dealer that has multiple, or is it multiple dealers?
It's the same dealer with like different, um, I guess trying to get approval for my client. You know how they run your credit and they
Hmm,
trying to
hmm.
get someone to approve you. It's
Okay,
like three or
okay.
four of those, but only one is active.
So so the name, right? The name that appears on the inquiries, is it the dealer or is it a different institution?
It's a different institution.
All right. So so it's multiple institutions. So
Yes.
a permit, so you can write the dealer, right? You can write the dealer and let the dealer know that you had given permission for your credit to be ran once, and it was being, and the dealer was the one that got the permission for them to run it. Now, permissible purpose is specific to the institution. Now, what you want to do is, even though you're going to go after the dealer, but you also want to go after all the other creditors listed on those inquiries, because for them to pull your credit, they must also show that they had permissible purpose. You follow me?
Right. Yes.
So each one that pulled it, we know they don't have it. And if they don't have it, that's potentially $1,000 in small claims. So
Okay.
they can't prove permissible purpose because they never had it. So what you would do now is, let's say that we wanted $1,000 from each one, right? Or the deletion. I would just file the statement of claim on each one based on the fact that they pulled my credit knowingly without a permissible purpose.
So first, reach out to them, like send the letters off.
Correct. You're going to
Okay.
send the inquiry deletion guide to each dealership that pulled the credit and the dealership that you gave the permissible purpose to, because permissible purpose is specific and it can only be used for the specific purpose intended. Meaning you can't use it multiple times with multiple dealership when I only gave you. So you also want to review the document that they had you sign to pull the credit, because knowing what is in there is key.
Okay.
Because yeah, if there's language in there that says that you have given us permission to inquire with Capital One, Chase Bank, Bank of America. You get what I'm saying? And then those
Yes.
ones are there. Well, the permissible purpose was specific for those reasons to them, but not the other way around, if you understand what I mean.
Yes, I understand.
You get me? So this is
Yeah.
how we'll use it. So you can use it forward or you can use it in reverse, just like Uno. It's just a matter of just tracking the strategy accurately.
Okay. So it's under the inquiry deletion guide and
Yep.
forbidden credit.
Yeah, you can look in Forbidden Credit for it, Char. It's there in Forbidden Credit.
Okay, one more question.
Mm-hmm.
Um, what is a good business name? I drive trucks for a living or marketing. You know, like how can
Mm-hmm.
I merge those two for a good name?
All right. So basically, you drive trucks. Is it your truck? Can you wrap it?
I could wrap it, but I'm currently like 1099, so I'm a contractor. So
That's fine if you're able to wrap it. Because remember, a wrap can come off the trailer. You get what I'm
right,
saying?
right,
So
right,
you
right.
can you pay $1,000 to wrap it. That will be a great marketing. So on the wrap, you can have got bad credit. I can help.
Oh man.
So you
Okay.
have it on the sides of the truck.
Yeah.
So our got bad credit hung 2 times. Like, I swear to God, people love this type of stuff. Like, you'll be driving and all you hear is beep, beep, beep. Like, there goes
Yeah,
somebody with bad credit, right?
yeah.
So, like, I promise you, people love this stuff. So, got bad credit hung 2 times. I can help. Call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. right?
Yeah.
And you'll be surprised the amount of clients you get just having that. So a name could be, who do you want to target? That's the important part. Tell me who you want to target. Other truckers or anybody? Who do you want to target?
Anybody, truckers, anybody, because I'm driving states to state. So like
Okay.
anybody I can help.
Okay. So a company name that you could use. Tell me what name you had in mind first, and then I can give you a name.
To be honest, hauling ass solutions.
Okay.
I know that's not, professional, but in the
No,
trucking
I get
world,
it though. I get it. And
yeah, you know what I'm saying?
other
Yeah.
truckers will get it too. So it sounds to me that subconsciously you wanted to target other truckers.
Yes, yeah, that and other people, whoever,
Yeah, because
Yeah,
they would get it. Other truckers would get it.
yeah.
So we could have hauling your score to new heights, or hauling your credit from 300 to 850. Like, people will know what that is. Like, hauling your score to new heights,
Oh, I like that.
right?
Hauling your score to new heights.
So now the logo will be of a truck, and on the trailer you could they're gonna make it like a 300 to 850, but it's gonna be shaped out in the form of a truck.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Like the logo, yeah, the logo, yeah.
So the back wheels can be 300, and then the front wheels could be like 800 or 850. But it's in the shape of a truck, so it's showing that you're hauling your scores to new heights. So it could be like a truck going up a hill, like up a ramp.
Right.
So now
Yeah. Like
you get it?
like I'm climbing the mountain. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're hauling it to new heights.
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
that.
So something like that.
Okay.
Oh, you like
Okay,
that
coach.
one? All right,
Yeah, I
good.
like that, coach.
Yeah. So you can be creative with it. But on the so you can have got bad credit, hung 2 times, call 1-800 whatever it is, and then on the other part of it hauling your scores to new height, because you don't want to use credit. On the marketing, you can say hauling your credit to new heights. But if we're talking about an LLC, hauling score LLC.
Okay.
Don't use credit.
Don't use credit.
Don't
Okay,
use
Harlem
credit. So
Score
Holland
LLC.
Score LLC, but on your branding now, you could say hauling your credit to new heights.
Okay. I'm about to replay that again. Can I honk
No,
for you
no
one
problem.
time? Can I honk for you one time before I
Oh,
go?
let's go.
Where we at?
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. So now everybody that passes you on the road, that's what they're going to do. And there goes a potential client, because now you're going to even have a QR code on it too. Make sure there's a QR code that leads back to like your booking calendar so that they can book with you. And you're going to kill the game, man. You're going to kill it.
Okay, I'm excited now. I'm
Let's
excited.
go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you, coach.
You're very welcome, Shari.
All right.
Yeah, that was dope. That was so dope.
All right, Brian, I felt like Joe, I seen your hand up since we started at 7, but you keep going to the bottom of the list. I don't know what's happening. But we're gonna end at you, Joe, because it is 8:01. So let's try to get it going because we're about to go into lecture. But we'll answer the last few questions. Go ahead, Brian.
All right. Thank you for the shout out, boss lady. I appreciate that. Mr. Delevante, how you doing today, man?
I am doing amazing. How are you?
I'm good, man. My cousin told me I'm Irish, so that's where I'm at. I'm gonna make it real quick because I'm actually driving up I-75 right now on the big rig too.
Let me get a hunk. Let me get a hunk 2 times. Let's go. Let's go.
You got it. Okay, so let me check this out. Before I got into the university, which this is kind of like a testimonial for why you need to get into the university. Before I got into the university, I tried to clean up my personal information. But I sent out I made some calls and I sent out some letters to all 3 CRAs. But I got too excited and then shot out some late payment letters before they fixed my personal information. And I think that was like old late payment letters, or it was just wrong. I did everything out of order. We'll just start there. I did everything out of order and wrong as hell. So I had to go ahead and let some time go by so I could start over. And I also got in.
Brian?
Told all the smoke, like dismissed.
Hold on, Brian. I think we lost you for a few minutes. We got the part where you said you did all the things wrong out of order. That was the last thing we heard.
Okay, cool. Okay, can you hear me now? Is it still
Yep,
is it clear now?
loud and clear.
Okay. So I did everything out of order and I let the 30 days pass because they just rejected everything I said. And so I started over. Friday that just passed. I started over with the not the late payment, the personal information disputes. Now, everybody, TransUnion and Experian went ahead and removed like most of the stuff, and then they sent me like an email or like a link to their thing to check, everything that they did.